Hey folks, how's it all going? And welcome back. And oh man, what do you got going on here today? We got the Camp Chef Woodwind out, folks. And you're looking down there and you're saying, hey, that's not the controller that comes with the camp. That's right. That's a Smoke Daddy Inc. PID. The controller that came originally with this was a non-PID. And Smoke Daddy Inc. makes a PID that fits right in there. And in fact, they actually have an adapter plate so that it fits perfectly in there. And I tell you, we've got some, we're going to do mashed potato poppers and chicken legs on the Camp Chef with Smoke Daddy Inc. PID. Folks, let's get her fired up. All right, folks, here's what we're doing here today. We got some chicken legs. We got the nature seasoning on it. You know, I love that stuff. That's going to go on the grill first. And then we got our jalapenos here that we're going to just put some mashed potato. Got some mashed potato, onion, and mushroom in there. And we're just taking a spoonful. This is real simple. I mean, something you could have the kids do for you. And just fill them up. Different way of doing potatoes, folks, and you'll see it. And these are, you know, potato poppers or jalapeno potato poppers, whatever you want to call them. And that's kind of what they're what they're looking like. And I'll finish up doing that and get this chicken onto the grill. Give you a look, see. All right, folks, take a quick look here. We got the got the Camp Chef set at 300 with that PID from Smoke Daddy, and look at it, 300. So let's take a quick look here. Oh yeah, there's our chicken cooking up, and we'll keep on going. Those potato poppers are going to probably only take about a half an hour. So when we're getting close, then we'll put them on. All right, folks, let's take a quick look here. Just put the jalapeno poppers on. Man, look at that. So we'll keep on going here. Give you a couple more look-sees. Stay tuned. All right, folks, another 15 minutes has passed by. Let's take a quick look, shall we? Oh, yeah, looking mighty nice. So we're getting, actually, those poppers looking pretty close to getting done here. Let's take a quick look here. Yeah, just about there. So give them a couple more minutes, and tell you what, I got to get some barbecue on these. And I'm going to give away the ones in the back to some of the neighbors. And then these are going to get the barbecue sauce. So give you a look-see. All right, folks, let's take one last look-see. Bump the bump the temp up to 340. You can see the Smoke Daddy on the Camp Chef doing a great job. Got some barbecue sauce, that open pit, the original. I love that stuff. Let's take a quick look at our. Oh yeah, look at that. Open pit on there, sizzling away, and those jalapeno poppers, those are ready to come off. Well, okay, folks, we're gonna give you a look-see once everything's plated up. Oh man. Oh man, look at that. Oh, look at that chicken. That chicken I'm giving away, but this chicken I'm gonna eat. And then those potato jalapeno poppers. Take a look at that. Nice and brown on the outside. Perfectly done on the outside. Pellet Grill did a great job. Oh, it's really good. Folks, if you haven't tried but mashed potato poppers, easy to do. You can take leftover mashed potatoes and make them with them, and be awesome every time. So hope you like this. Don't forget to subscribe. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thumbs up and leave a comment. And as always, folks, can't say it enough. I do appreciate you watching. Hey, and hey, don't forget to wash your hands.